Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this review, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you know about this property like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Its review rating is 8.7. It is the excellent room category one. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Room category 4. Room category 5. Category 6. Room category 7. Room category 8. Room category 9. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this hotel, type of amenities belong to the The location of the hotel is first class and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Checkout time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or more details about this hotel, please check description. If you have stayed in this hotel, please share your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then please subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property.